Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this smooth off-white buttercream. This video has been long awaited and it was requested by my subscribers, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, just keep on watching as we get right into the video. This recipe calls for just two ingredients. The first one is 500 grams of icing sugar and the second one is 250 grams of Seamer's butter, margarine, but you can use any product of your choice. I'll go ahead to use my kitchen scissors to open it up and put it in a bowl. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to 15,400 of you guys who subscribe to this channel. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. I do appreciate. And for those who are yet to subscribe, please click on that subscription button right now to enable you get notified once I upload a video. I went ahead to use my hand mixer to beat the margarine. I'll beat it until it's lighter in color and doubled in size. Now the trick to getting an off-white buttercream is to beat it for some time, because the more you beat it, the lighter it becomes in both the texture and the color. Always remember to use your spatula to scrape down the side of your bowl as you mix. So this took me like approximately 5 minutes to 7 minutes to achieve this color and this texture. As you can see, it is very light now and the color is off-white compared to when I started beating it earlier. You can see that from the video. This process is not really necessary if you're doing a buttercream just for crumb coating, but if you want to make a white buttercream cake, this can give you a pass mark. The next process is to sift in my icing sugar, and I'll be doing this in batches because I don't want the icing sugar everywhere because I'm using a little bowl. So if you want a big quantity of the buttercream, you can go ahead to double or triple the recipe. After sifting in the icing sugar, I went ahead to use my spatula to combine both of them together before using my hand mixer to beat it to avoid getting the icing sugar everywhere. So at this stage, be careful not to overbeat it. What I will basically be doing is to make sure the icing sugar and margarine is well incorporated. So basically I'll be repeating the same process till all the icing sugar are finished. I know some people are going to wonder why I didn't add a tablespoon of vanilla essence to this recipe, And I would say it's all about the choice, because I have added a tablespoon of vanilla essence to this recipe and I didn't like the outcome. It was softer than it should be, and I had a very hard time smoothing out my cake. And it also depends on the type of icing sugar you are working with, so just try out the recipe. If it is hard for you to work with, you can add half tablespoon of vanilla essence to it to loosen it up. But I bet you I've been working with this and this is the best consistency for me. Of course, adding vanilla essence to this recipe is not really a necessity, because trust me, people are gonna scrape it out before eating the cake. This buttercream recipe is the best. It's very nice. It's perfect for buttercream cakes and is also perfect for piping of buttercream flowers and roses. After I learned this recipe and started using it for my clients, and when they come to pick up their cake, they actually think it's a fondant cake because of the smooth finished look. I bet you're gonna love this recipe. Just give it a try and write me in the comment section how well you love the recipe. And finally, we are done with mixing and incorporating the two ingredients together. The next process is a very vital and important process which I wouldn't want you to miss. Use your spatula to turn your buttercream, and as a process of turning it, press the buttercream down. This process helps to close all the air bubbles, thereby making you have a very smooth buttercream. This process makes your work very easy because you're not going to have a hard time working with your buttercream, because it closes all the air bubbles and it makes you have this smooth and professional finished looking cake. And we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.